If you're over 65, here's a statistic that should stop you cold. According to neurological research, nearly 40% of adults over 70 already show measurable memory impairment, even if they feel mostly fine. Even more alarming, studies show that what you eat at breakfast can either protect your brain or accelerate memory loss by up to 60% over time. And here's the shocking part. Millions of seniors are eating a breakfast they were told is healthy, but neurologists now warn it may be fueling inflammation, shrinking memory centers in the brain, and increasing dementia risk. If this continues, what's at stake isn't just memory, it's your independence, your ability to drive, to manage your finances, to recognize loved ones. But today, you'll learn the one simple swap that doctors are now using to help protect aging brains and why it works at the cellular level. Let me introduce you to the perspective behind this information. Dr. Alan Richardson, a board-certified neurologist with over 28 years of clinical experience, has treated more than 12,000 older adults with memory and cognitive decline. In his clinic, Dr. Richardson reports that patients who corrected specific inflammatory breakfast habits saw improved short-term memory, better mental clarity, slower progression of cognitive decline. In some cases, cognitive test scores improved by 15 to 25% within 6 months without new medications. His conclusion? For seniors, breakfast is one of the most powerful and most dangerous meals of the day for brain health. Here's what happens to the aging brain. After 60, 3 major changes occur. Brain cells become more vulnerable to inflammation. Blood sugar control weakens. Protective brain fats decline. When blood sugar spikes repeatedly in the morning, it triggers inflammation in brain tissue and damage to the tiny blood vessels feeding memory centers. It also increases amyloid plaque formation. This directly affects the hippocampus, the brain's memory control center. Over time, this leads to faster memory loss, reduced learning ability, and a higher dementia risk. Breakfast becomes the first domino of the day. Mistake number 1, whole grain toast with jam or honey. Even whole grain bread rapidly converts to sugar in seniors. Jam and honey spike blood glucose, triggering inflammatory brain pathways. Older adults consuming high glycemic breakfasts showed up to 35% higher inflammatory markers linked to cognitive decline. Margaret, 72, ate wheat toast with jam every morning. Within 2 years, she noticed frequent word-finding issues. After switching away, her neurologist documented improved cognitive testing scores in just 4 months. Mistake number 2, low-fat yogurt with granola. Low-fat dairy removes protective brain fats and replaces them with sugar. Granola often contains hidden syrups. Seniors consuming sweetened yogurts had 22% faster cognitive processing decline than those consuming full-fat, unsweetened options. Robert, 69, believed he was eating heart-healthy, but his fasting insulin and memory scores worsened until his breakfast was corrected. Mistake number 3, orange juice or fruit smoothies. Liquid fruit sugar spikes insulin faster than soda. This damages insulin signaling, essential for memory formation. High morning fructose intake is associated with increased hippocampal insulin resistance, a major dementia risk factor. So, what is the fix? The one simple swap. Replace sugar-based breakfasts with protein plus healthy fat breakfast. Specifically, eggs plus healthy fats plus fiber. Eggs provide choline, essential for memory neurotransmitters. Healthy fats reduce brain inflammation. Protein stabilizes blood sugar. Seniors consuming higher choline diets had up to 70% lower risk of memory decline in long-term studies. Your specific action plan. Option 1, 2 eggs cooked in olive oil plus vegetables. Option 2, full-fat Greek yogurt unsweetened, plus nuts plus berries. Option 3, avocado plus eggs plus leafy greens. Within weeks, many seniors report clearer thinking, fewer afternoon crashes, and improved word recall. If you're serious about protecting your brain, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment your age or biggest health concern below. This channel is dedicated to helping seniors protect memory, mobility, and independence naturally and medically. Your brain is not doomed by age, but it is shaped by daily choices. That one breakfast you were told was healthy may be silently stealing your memories, your independence, and your quality of life. But this one simple swap can protect brain cells, reduce inflammation, preserve your thinking, and delay cognitive aging. This isn't about perfection, it's about giving your brain a fighting chance. Subscribe for more senior-focused, doctor-backed strategies to protect your memory, reduce medical bills, and stay independent longer. Because your mind is worth protecting, starting tomorrow morning.